I was motivated to come to this training because what really attracted me was the fact I feel it's the next level of tapping with the metaTapping. It's just not just clearing bad stuff, but it's actually elevating you to that higher place, which is where I want to be. I want to live my life like that, and I want to help my clients do the same. What stood out for me the most was that and I've always known this, but it's actually finally gone in. If I don't tap on myself, then it's not magically going to work. I still get the benefits from working with clients, but when I actually make time, which was a big part of this course, to go further up the scale in terms of the meta-tapping again, it makes such a difference. It's not just, oh, I'm having a bad day so I should tap. It's just, actually, let's just tap so I can have an even better day than I would have done. Every time I come here with Tamara and Peter, I just feel like almost like I'm coming home, and I might get emotional saying this, but it's obviously mainly them and they're the teachers, but I think everyone feels so comfortable here, that everyone is so supportive and loving towards each other, and we're all equally holding the space for each other at those moments when we need to. Just always outstanding. Thank you. I'm really hopeful that this whole meta-tapping is going to become really, really like a big thing, and we can be one of the first to be trained in it. So if you're like me, if you're a practitioner and thinking of coming on this course or wondering whether you should, I think you absolutely should. If nothing else, it's a massive refresh of all your amazing skills, especially if you're a practitioner but you haven't actually been practicing much. And the whole meta-tapping thing will take you and your clients and your practice to a whole nother level.